Oh my god, can you guys believe it's like snow hailing in Canada? Snow hailing in Canada. It looks like it's raining, but it's not. Look at the tree turning color. It's hailing, guys. Hailing ASMR. It's hailing in Canada. Snow hailing in the beginning of April. Can you believe it? I love it. It sounds so pretty. You can see it bouncing off the ground. If you've never seen hail before, it's a little piece of ice that falls. And then it's white, like snow. Let's appreciate Mother Nature for 1 minute. Beating down on the rooftop. See how it looks white? This is called snow hailing. It's snowing, but it's coming in the form of hail. Little chunks of ice. They're really tiny.